Good morning. I am pretty good. Good morning. I am extremely late. Yep, I woke up at 7 o'clock and my brain goes, oh no, we can just sleep in for a little bit more. And then I just woke up about 10 minutes ago and it's like 7:34 and 7:30 is when I normally leave the house. So, yep, I was rushing. It's bad. But, luckily I have a really understanding boss and I'm hardly ever late. Anyway, but I'm going to drive somewhat like a maniac, but a reasonable maniac. Yeah. And I'm going to check when I get back to work, when I get to work if if it went through, because it should have gone through because it's Monday. But anyway, we'll see you later after work, or maybe during work, I don't know. The other lady is back because she said that she is able to work now, so I'm just like, I love her to death, but she's like our Grammy Moffat, apparently, and she complains a lot. But anyhoodles, I will see you later. I didn't get to weigh myself because I'm a retard and I'm running late, so I'll do that tomorrow, and yep. Okay.
Oh, I have a poopy head with me again, because he's poopy. And I'm going to go get gas, and then I'm going to go home. But I have a rear view mirror now, yay! Okay, so yeah, we're driving, and there's a cute puppy. We're driving, but I still have to go home and tighten it to the doohickey though, because it's not that tight. So, we're moving. Somebody's a little warm out there. Anyway, so, I'm going to turn on the air conditioning, turn on some music, and go get some gas and go to the bank. And I'll see you at home. Whoa!
You're a canary, that's great. Oh! Whoa, yeah.
Oh! Oh! Matao! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh! What?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye? Really? Bye-bye? You gonna go with that? Oh, really? Oh boy.
Why does he always sing while you're doing dishes?
Because I talk to him most
When I'm in here.
and he oh!
Go. There he is.
Oh, Bob. What are you doing? Hello?
Where are you?
Was that, who are you or where are you? I don't know. It was, where are you? I'm in here doing, what? I'm doing dishes, that's what I'm doing. Why are you yelling? No, excuse me. Excuse me. You're the one yelling. Oh, I'm doing dishes. What are you doing? You're yelling, I know you're yelling. That's obvious. Yeah. Oh, what? I told you what I was doing, you nutcase. No. I did too tell you. What?
I don't know. I didn't get that one.
What? Oh no, that was good.
What are you doing?
Very weird. What are you doing? Oh. You wanna sing? Oh, you wanna sing? You're such a spaz! Oh my goodness! You know? Okay, that's good! That's good that you know! Oh my goodness! Oh, what are you doing, spaz? Oh my goodness, that's hilarious! Woo! No! Oh! Oh my goodness. Anything else? Wait, don't sass it. What? Oh. Okay. What? Wait. Oh. Now you're gonna be nice and soft. Oh, sing a birdie. Ah, not screaming, singing. Yeah? What are you doing? Nothing? Nothing at all? Nothing to say? Oh, okay. Nothing to say at all, huh? Ow! Yeah! What are you owing for? Are you shooting or are you weirdly talking again? Oh. Oh. Oh, boy, 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 boy. What? Oh my goodness, you're crazy. Crazy bird. What you doing, crazy bird? Oh, you are? Boop-a-doop. Whoa, whoa, oh, really? Didn't catch that one either. What are you doing? Huh? You silly bird? No? Oh, okay. You're just crazy then, huh? Shh. Don't tell me to shh. Shh. No, you shh. 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 You're a nut. You really are. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Oh, really? Oh. Oh. Don't. What? You're so strange. Shh. No, I won't. Shh. You shh. You shh. You shh. Oh, this is why I'm doing this. Is because normally when I put the camera in front of him, he's like just beep, 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 beep. The normal, yeah. And when it's not on him and I talk to him, this is what happens when we do dishes. Or when I do dishes. I'm normally singing or something like that, and he sings along with me, and now he's telling me to shh. I'm not gonna shh. No! I don't wanna. No! No! He's very talkative. This is the normal him. Not the squeaky him. Isn't it right? Shh. Yeah. No, I don't want to shh. 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 No, you shh.
for, silly? You don't know? Well, okay. Just wondering. Who you calling? You're crazy. You don't know? You don't know? Why don't you know? Shh. I won't shh. I'm not going to. You shh. Shh. You shh. Boo, 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 boo. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What? I'm opening and shutting the door. That's what I'm... No, that's not what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. You open. What door are you opening, silly? What door are you opening? Is that the cupboard door? Oh yeah, you think you're so funny. Yes, you do. You think you're so funny. What? What? We all know you're a canary. Being silly? Oh! You being silly? Other talking birds. Okay. Oh, don't pff at me. Don't pff at me, you silly bird. I don't know. What are you doing? I already told you what I'm doing. Oh, no, now you're plucking. I know you want me to come over there, you weird bird. That's always why you pluck like that. Because you're weird.
Aren't you serious?
Yeah. You gonna pay? You okay? Yeah. Yeah. Where you going? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Wanna dance? Wanna dance? Come on.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
Dance.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're dancing. Oh yeah. Are we dancing? Are we dancing? We're dancing. Oh yeah. We're dancing. We're dancing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're dancing. We're dancing.
Release
Okay.
the cricket.
Okay. We're dancing. All right. Okay. We're dancing. We're dancing. Dancing. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, now you're gonna beat your brains. I love it. I'm gonna get that piece. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that piece. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that piece. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Hey, hey, I got it. Look at you.
That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing.
Bird. Wingies. Wingies. Ay.
Right on top of Mateo.
So
Right
funny.
on top of Mateo.
So funny. So
So
funny.
funny. When Mateo
So
does
funny.
that.
He thinks it's funny too, don't you? You think it's funny too. Can I have that piece? Can I have that piece? I want that piece. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I have it? Oh, you dropped it.
Uh-huh.
Wanna get another one? Get another one. Get another one. Oh, look at the wingies. Look at the wingies. Look at the wingies. Wingies.
Release the cricket.
You're so silly. A bleh, a bleh, a
Okay.
bleh.
I'm doing noisy.
Uh-oh, you missed it. Here we go.
Doing noisy head here. Just because I like.
Tear to pieces. Yes, drop it on the floor. I have to clean it up. Uh-huh. Got it? Oh. You're gonna get it. Get some more. Get some more. Get some more. Oh. How'd you go? How'd you go?
Almost dead.
What are you doing, Charles? What?
Pepper. We hear you. We hear you, Pepper. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Wait a minute. Let me make it bigger. There you go. Here. There you go. It's big. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You grab it? Right here. Yeah? You grab it some more? And this is the finishing product of the towel game. Now I gotta pick it up. Oh, he's done. He's done. Say bye. Silly bird. Yes, he was just tickling. He was just on top of Pepper's cage. Yeah, you were. And Pepper was just licking his feet. And you see, make him get off. He wasn't biting him or anything, or this dingy butt would have squawked. I don't see your butt. I don't want to see your butt. Okay, we're gonna go now. Okie dokie, well that was an interesting time. Yeah, he got done with our little game and he got a little too rough, so it was probably a good time to do that. Today's word is expeditious. Meaning marked by or acting with prompt efficiency. Okay guys, well yeah, you too, you think so too? Alright, well, okay guys, I'm gonna go to bed and make my lunch before that and shower and all that great jazz. So tomorrow's Botanical Gardens and hopefully I can go. I don't know what's going to go on there. That's the TV with a really interesting show. So I'm going to go. I'll see you tomorrow.